So you can see Huygens principle. Now, Huygens principle and Huygens wave theory both are the different thing. What is Huygens principle? It is regarding the construction and location of a wavefront at any instant emitted by any wave source. It's clear? So, you write down, Huygens had devised a geometrical technique. All of you write down. Huygens had devised a geometrical technique of constructing and locating the wavefront at any instant. Constructing and locating wavefront at any instant emitted by any wave source. Emitted by any wave source. Number 1. Every point situated on a wavefront. Every point situated on a wavefront. In short, we will write WF. It's clear? Every point situated on a wavefront acts as a new wave source. Acts as a new wave source. From which secondary wavelets are emitted. From which secondary wavelets are emitted. Wavelets are emitted. Now you write down number 2. These secondary wavelets travel in the same medium with same speed. Travel in the same medium with the same speed as the speed of the original wave. As the speed of original wave. Number 3. As the speed of original wave in that medium. As the speed of original wave in that medium. Number 3. The envelope of these secondary waves. The envelope of these secondary waves. Envelope means locus. Envelope means here locus. The envelope of these secondary waves in the forward direction will be the new position of wavefront. Will be the new position of wavefront. Now all of you see here, Huygens had devised a geometrical technique of constructing and locating the wavefront at any instant. Now see here, in the Huygens principle, there are 3 points. Number 1, every point situated on a wavefront acts as a new wave source. For example, here, this is any point source of light. Here, suppose this is any point source of light. What will be the shape of wavefront emitted by it? So, shape of wavefront, waves are traveling, suppose in this direction. Here, these are the direction of propagation of waves. Now with this as center, if you draw a sphere, though I will draw the circular arc, but point source always emits the wavefront, is spherical wavefront. Why spherical wavefront? Because waves are emitted in all the direction. They are not emitting only in one particular direction. It's clear? But here in the diagram, it can be shown only by this way. So if you take an arc and draw, if you take a radius and draw an arc, so this will be the position of wavefront at any instant. This will be the position of wavefront at any instant. This we can call primary wavefront, PWF, primary wavefront. It's clear? Now every point which is situated on this, it will become a new wave source. It will become a new wave source, and from various point of this primary wavefront, new waves will be emitted, which have been named as the secondary wavelets. इन new waves को क्या नेम किया गया है? Secondary wavelets. Now these secondary wavelets will travel with the same speed as the speed of the original wave, as the speed of the wavefront. It is clear? So suppose the speed is v, so what will be the position of waves emitted from these points after time t? इन पॉइंट से जो वेव्स इमिट हो रही हैं उनकी पोजीशन आफ्टर टाइम t क्या होगी? सो सी हियर, they will reach on the surface of a sphere of radius v into t and center at that point. मतलब अगर हम केवल एक पॉइंट ये लेकर चले और ये देखें कि यहां से जो सेकेंडरी वेव्स इमिट हुई हैं, they have reached where after time t. आफ्टर टाइम t किस पॉइंट पर पहुंच गई हैं? सो सी हियर, इन टाइम t they will travel how much distance? v into t. You take a radius of v into t and draw a spherical surface. Draw a spherical surface. It's clear? So you will find that the secondary waves which have been emitted from here after time t, they have reached on the surface of this sphere. It's clear? Same thing will be true for all other points also. It's clear? They will also travel the same distance v into t. So see here, for this also, those which are emitted from this point, they will reach on the surface of this sphere. Those which are emitted from this point, they will also travel the same distance and they will reach on the surface of this sphere. Those which are emitted from here, they will also reach. It's clear? Here all the circles are of the same radii. Now the envelope of these secondary waves in the forward direction. Envelope means locus. Locus means here tangent plane. Here we will not say only tangent. It is a tangent plane. It is clear? क्यों? क्योंकि ये क्या है? कोई 2 डायमेंशनल वो नहीं है, ये क्या है? 3 डायमेंशनल हो जाएगा पूरा. So a tangent plane envelope of these secondary wavelets in the forward direction will be the new position of wavefront. Means this will be the new position of wavefront. New position of wavefront. Huygens had discarded the backward wavefront. जो पीछे की डायरेक्शन में वेव फ्रंट है उसको उन्होंने डिस्कार्ड कर दिया था. वाई ही हैड डिस्कार्डेड दिस? बिकॉज द वेव्स आर ट्रेवलिंग इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. दैट्स वाई दिस बैकवर्ड वेव फ्रंट व्हिच इज ड्रॉन इन ए डॉटेड लाइन, दैट वाज डिस्कार्डेड. दिस इज क्लियर? सो यू कैन मेक दिस डायग्राम. Yes. Now here it is a plane wavefront. It's clear? So every point according to the Huygens principle, this is a plane wavefront. It is the primary wavefront here. Primary wavefront. It is clear? Now according to the Huygens principle, every point situated on it will act as a new wave source. Every point situated on it will act as new wave source. It's clear? Now secondary waves will be emitted from it, and the envelope of these secondary waves in the forward direction will be the new position of wavefront. Now the secondary waves which are emitted from this after time t, they will reach where? They will reach on the surface of the sphere of radius v into t and with these points as center. मतलब क्या है? If we draw a circle here, then the secondary waves which are emitted from here, they will not reach there. वो वहां नहीं पहुंचेंगी. यहां से इमिट होने वाली वहां नहीं पहुंचेंगी. यहां से जो इमिट हो रही, they will reach on the surface of this sphere. ये वाली जो यहां से इमिट हो रही हैं, they will reach on the surface of this sphere. Those which are emitted from here, they will reach on the surface of this sphere. What is the envelope of these secondary waves in the forward direction? Their envelope in the forward direction will be the new position of wavefront. Their envelope in the forward direction will be the new position of wavefront. Means this is new position of wavefront. हाँ, थर्ड पीरियड नहीं, केवल सेकेंड पीरियड. अब ये सेकेंड पीरियड. हाँ नहीं सर, सेकेंड है. हाँ, न्यू पोजीशन ऑफ वेव फ्रंट. यू मेक द डायग्राम.